Hey everybody, this is Tyler McCully Wide, World of Trains. I'm in Callao, Missouri right now. So we're going to find out what it is this afternoon on Monday. Check it out, we got a coal train. Wait, it gets close by. And 11 and 12 and 13 and 14 and 15, 16 and 17 and 18 and 19 and 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, and 60. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, and 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140, 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146, 147, 148, 149, 150, 151, 152, 153, DPU, alright! 153 cars. We got a nice SD70 Ace Power. Assembled that train was BNSF ES44 AC with our SD70 Ace and SD70 Mac. That train originates at Decker, Montana, heads east. He was stopping at New Cambria, Missouri, broke down. He was stopping New Cambria, Missouri, broke down, waiting for the train to come slow. He honked at me 3 to 4 times, and on his way east, going to turn south of Bevier, Missouri at Heritage, heading south on his way to Thomas Hill Power Plant at the Thomas Hill Power Plant, making electricity on this Monday, September 26, 2022, by Tyler McCully Wide World of Trains YouTube. Appreciate a Wide World of Trains. Here's the next video. Roll it.